Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Valorant in your PC. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using, and in the search bar you just type Valorant. You will see the official website, you just click on that, and then you will see this button, play for free, you click on that. Then here you choose PC, you click on that, and here if you don't have any Reddit account, so you just create one, and if you already have, you just click on sign in. And after you sign into your account, you will see here the button download, you just click on that. You choose where do you want to save this file, you just click on save, and here as you can see it is downloaded. You just go and click on here and finish the installation. It is very easy. Then after you do that, you will see a shortcut appeared in your desktop, you just click on that. After that, you will see this page. After you open the game, you just sign in to your account. After that, if you have any update, you just need to update the game, and then you can launch it and start to play as you want. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.